provides multiple ways to define colors, each with its own advantages. Okay, with own advantages we have, and we have that named colors, hexa colors, okay, rgb colors, and rgba colors. Okay, next hsl colors. Okay, so we have this type of colors. So here this named colors will be easy to use. Directly you can give the name of the color, that's it. So it will easy to use actually. Okay, and here the hexa color will be the short and widely supported. Okay, so here I'll tell you short and widely supported. Short and widely supported here. And after that rgb means uh, it can be actually it can be long type. Okay, long to type, and the shaded part will be used here. And rgba, here the rgba supports transparency, and here hsl means more inductive for color adjustment. Okay, so here we happen like this, and these colors will be supported, the percentages and unique ones and all the things it will be supported. But the named colors, like how it will be defined as, there is in named colors here, these are predefined actually. Okay, predefined colors names in CSS. So around it will supports there are around 140 colors will be supported here. Okay, like how can you declare this color? Using more we will use blue color here, more we will use green, and red and purple. Okay, after that we will use yellow also here. More we will use these colors as a named colors. So how it will be declared means, we can declare directly. You can use a background. The key value will be the background. Key is the background here. And here a blue one is the named color. So this is the how to apply the example on a syntax I have explained here. So it will be the blue and black colors as well. Directly you can use the name of the color here. Okay, so after that what we have, the hexa colors. So hexa colors means this will be call it as hexadecimal. hexadecimal colors use a 6 characters here. Okay, use a 6 characters here, 6 character code to represent colors. Okay, so here it follows the format like here, using this hash symbol, suppose rrgb, so like this it will follows. Okay, so here the syntax will be, you can use directly here the background, the shaded part using hash symbol ff, so or else rrgb, like this you can use. Okay, so next what we have, rgb. So here suppose I'm going to tell you the small thing here. Suppose I'm going to taking here ash as well, here ff and 57, or else not, this is 33. So how can you declare this one? Means you can here ff will be taken as the red one. Okay, red color. So and 57 will be taken green. Okay, and here the 33 will be taken blue. Okay, so here after that RGB color. So here RGB means we will take directly RGB green blue. Okay, blue. So it is uses values from 0 to 55. Okay, it is the, so it is mixed colors will be taken. Okay, so example you can apply here, background RGB, so like that you can, the shaded part will be taken like this. Okay, so here here it will apply the 60 means low red. Okay, just normal example I'm telling you. Here 179 means it will indicate high green, and after that 113 means it will indicates medium blue. Okay, so it will be indicates like this. And next the fourth one, rgba. So rgba colors, we will take rgb here directly. What is the rgb means? We have taken red, green, blue, right? Or rgb plus it will indicate the alpha colors. Like alpha means what? Here the alpha means it will take opacity like that. So here like rgba colors is the same as rgb, but here include the alpha opacity means what? Here the opacity means very transparency color. Okay, here the opacity. So here it will take 0 0.0. 0.0 means here the 0.0 means fully transparency. Okay, fully transparent. Here it is happened fully transparent. Okay, after that 0.1 means here fully opaque. Okay, it is very transparency, fully opaque. Okay, like that it will be indicates. So you can give that example, uh, background background color, it will RGBA 255, it will take 0 and 0 and 0 0.5, so it will indicates like this. And here what happened, red means 255 and green means 0, and here blue indicates also 0 here, and alpha will indicates 0.5. Okay, 0.5 it will indicate. So it is 50% transparency happens, 50% transparency happens here. Okay, so like this it is happens. So here what is last one, I think the last one, HSL. What is HSL means? The HSL means hue, saturation and lightness. So it will be the lightness colors, it will be indicates. So HSL means, HSL colors means it is hue, saturation, lightness. Okay, it is happens like that. So here I'm going to applying the just small one, just small syntax here I'm taking. So here the background color, the background color key I'm taking here, the background color here HSL directly I'm going to apply here the 240, and here we will take in the percentile using, okay, and percentile, and here I'm going to take 50. So here it is happens how means here the 240, here the 240 actually we call it as here the degree, and here it will apply the blue one, and 100%, here the 100% will be the fully saturation, fully saturated, fully saturated here. Okay, saturated, fully saturated, and 50%, and the 50% normal brightness. Okay, so this is happens like this. And how many colors we have? We have the 5 types of colors here, that will 5 types of colors here. So this is the named color, hexadecimal, RGBA and RGB and RGBA HSL. So we will see the small example on this using this type of colors here. Okay, so open your front end folder here and open your CSS folder, this is called nested folder, and go to your path and back one, CMD, enter. Here the CMD you can take C code space dot enter. So the particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code, and after that you can create a one new file here, what, colors dot html. So in this I am going to write one HTML, just a moment guys. Here I'm going to writing one HTML code, the static one, and this is a bytecode. After that you can take title of the page. At that title of the page I am taking here CSS colors. Okay, so after that how many types of HTMLs we have? We have the 2 types of HTMLs, that will be the external and internal. So external I have created one CSS colors here, and after that I am creating one body. So the static one I'm creating, how it will be, we will see. What is the h2 here? The h2 is the second highest heading tag. So here second highest heading tag, I'm taking the CSS colors, CSS colors. Okay, so after that I'm taking here the div class means what? We can, the class selector we can use anywhere, right? So id will not use. Okay, so the box color, the color I'm taking here, the box color and named color. For named color I want to apply here first. So named color, so it will take as a blue one. So I'm copying this div it is nothing but one container. Okay, so I'm taking here. Next here I will take exa. Okay, so this will, I will take one ff557 and 3 how it is, the color will be applied. After applying this we will see. And this is what this is, one RGB. Okay, RGB already we have taken, so RGB also we will take one static text here, the RGB. So RGB for that 60, 179 and 133. Okay, so we will see how it will apply. And after that what we have, and we have RGBA colors, RGBA colors. Okay, here also RGBA colors. So some color we will apply here. Okay, next the last one, the last color will be the HS color. Okay, HS color. Okay, so here we will use HSL colors. We will take 240, 100, percentile also we will apply here, and 50 percentage. Okay, so here right click on your mouse pad and open in default browser. So you need to download that extension using extensions of the left side corner. I'll show you that one also. So without applying CSS, just a static text has to be presented here. So I need to apply the CSS code here using CSS, that is cascading style sheets. So here we can using the link tag here, using link rel means what? Here I need to take style sheet. Okay, href I'm creating here colors CSS. Okay, so we don't have the ending tag for ending tag for link tag. Okay, so CSS part will be created. So copy this. Oh, just a second, I'll apply another way. First we need to take the tag, this will call it as element selector. So first we need to apply the body. Here the body, font family. Here I will use Arial 1, this is the default one actually. So here text align, the text align will be center I am taking here. Okay, so here we will see, so it is happen. Next what we have the color box. For this I will apply the color box for entire one. So that's why I'm taking the same class name. Okay, the same class name, the same class selector we call it as. So directly you can take. So I'm setting here width with 150 pixel. So we will see it is happen. So click on inspector, means this is call it as developer tool. So what we will apply for color box. Okay, so here you can apply for here. So for checking purpose we will use as a UI developer inspector tool only. So I am setting the height will be the 100 pixels. For box indication, so margin means what, that will be taken the 4 sets equal. I'm not applying any margin left, right, and properties I'm not applying, so that directly I'm taking margin. Why? Because it is given the responsive one. Okay, so here display in block inline block. Okay, so I need inline, so that's why I've taken inline block. So here the line height I'm taking, the line height the default one 100 pixels I will take. Okay, so line height also set it here. So after that I am taking the font weight. Okay, so somewhat font weight, I need something, so I will apply the font weight. What happens here we will see. Font weight, the font weight will be bold. Okay, bold means what happens here, bold, yeah, bold one. So the text will be the some thickness here, right? So after that color you can apply here. The color will be the box color will be, we will take black, brown we will take. Okay, next border radius, the it will apply for corners will be curve size, so it will not taken now, so it is applied here. So here you can copy this entire CSS here, copy and paste in your browser. So it is like this, and after that the named colors also you have taken, right? So what is that? First the color will be here, what you have taken, the named color. So the named color you can take and apply the color here. So here you can take one class CSS, it is also in the class one, right? So apply the dot here. After that you can apply background. Yeah, so here the background color directly I'm taking here the blue. Okay, so we will see, go to your browser and refresh. So blue is applied, right? So we will take as this one white. Okay, so it is good. And after that what we have am I audible, right everyone? Am I audible, right everyone? Hello? Yeah. So I applied the blue color as a background, so it is applied using the named colors. And after that we will take what we have, the class name, that is
Traces, we screen share is not happening.
Is it?
Yeah, visible.
Yeah. Next, what we have, the hexa color, and hexa color, we will take the hexa color as a background. So I will take the background color here. What we have applied here, just FF and 533. So what the color is mixed here, we will see. So something, the coral orange color will happen here, right? So after that, RGB class name, and RGB this color. Okay, so we will see RGB color, the class name, the background color. The background color will be RGBA something. So it is happen something color. So I think this is 11 not, this is 113. Okay, so you can take here, this is RGB. While you are indicating the small characters, you can take here. Okay, so after that, what we have next, RGBA color. Okay, RGBA color, for that, dot RGBA color. Next, RGBA color, you can take this one, and the color will be seen. And so here also background color. So here RGBA color. Okay, RGBA color. So here you can take this hsl code, and here hsl code, and this color you can apply there. HSL code, just a second, the class name, and after that color name. Okay, background color, and you can apply this HSL. So here also the small characters you can take, lower characters, HSL code. So go to your browser, and refresh it. So see here, it is happened, the all the RGBA colors and all the things will be like this. So any color you can use. Suppose you can go to your named color, so the shaded part will, you can take. So it is converted into